Hi and welcome to DFM. Today I'll explain how you can configure inherited parameter context and local parameter context. Let's get started. 1. Go to process groups. You will see 2 process groups listed. 2. Click upgrade on the first one. 3. Choose the version and click continue. 4. You will now see the parameter context section. The top 2 are inherited parameter contexts. The bottom 3 are local parameter contexts. Configuring inherited parameter context. 1. Click the drop-down next to the inherited parameter context. 2. Click the pen icon to edit. 3. Here you will see the file name and value displayed. The file name is customers.json, which I am changing to customer.json. 4. Click Save and move forward to the local parameter context. Configuring local parameter context. 1. Click the drop-down next to the local parameter context. 2. Click the pen icon to edit. 3. The name and value are displayed. The value is the customer invoice, which I am changing to customers invoice. 4. Click Save to confirm the changes. Important note, these values will only be updated after deployment. Final steps. 1. Click Continue. 2. Click Upgrade to apply the changes. The process may take a few moments. Once completed, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that the parameter context configuration has successfully upgraded. Thank you.